northeastern Pennsylvania, Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:38 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Whitehaven to Cathetown, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, law enforcement. Several reports of trees and wires down have been received from this line of storms. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Easton, Lehighton, Mount Pocono, Bethlehem, Forks, Emmaus, Northampton, East Stroudsburg, Tobiana, Wilson, Nazareth, Palmerton, Bangor, Jim Thorpe, Slavington, Penn Argyll, Wind Gap, Bath and Belvedere. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 53 and 97. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 51 and 60. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 277 and 314. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 10. Interstate 380 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 13. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to